Plant FAQs, Syngonium Pink Spot. Syngonium Pink Spot, your guide to the captivating pink-kissed vine. Hi there, Furvu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Syngonium Pink Spot, a houseplant that's as easy on the eyes as it is to care for. This vibrant vine boasts stunning foliage speckled with pops of pink, making it a conversation starter in any indoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know about the Syngonium Pink Spot. We'll cover its characteristics, care requirements, and even explore how it compares to its green counterparts. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get started. See more 41 species in genus Syngonium, arrowhead plant at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Syngonium Pink Spot special? This beauty belongs to the Araceae family, sharing kinship with popular houseplants like monsteras and philodendrons. But the pink spot stands out with its unique charm. The star of the show is, of course, the foliage. The Syngonium Pink Spot boasts glossy, arrow-shaped leaves. These aren't your average green leaves, though. They're splashed with delightful pink spots and margins, creating a stunning contrast. As the plant matures, the leaves can develop lobes, adding another layer of visual interest. Beyond its captivating looks, the Syngonium Pink Spot is known for its forgiving nature. It's a great choice for plant enthusiasts of all experience levels. Syngonium Pink Spot versus other Syngonium varieties. The Syngonium genus boasts a diverse range of houseplants, each with its own charm. Here's a quick comparison of the pink spot with two popular Syngonium varieties. Syngonium podophyllum arrowhead vine. This classic Syngonium features deep green, arrowhead-shaped leaves. It's a low-maintenance option and thrives in similar conditions as the pink spot. However, it lacks the vibrant pink variegation that makes the pink spot so special. Syngonium albo variegatum, white variegated Syngonium. This beauty boasts stunning white variegation on its leaves. While visually striking, the white variegated Syngonium requires slightly brighter light than the pink spot. It can also be more challenging to propagate. Syngonium Pink Spot versus Milk Confetti. Syngonium Milk Confetti has arrowhead-shaped leaves with a creamy milk green hue and pink spots. It is different than the pink spot in that it has a milky paleness to the leaves and the petioles are white with pink spots. These are vining plants, so they work as a hanging plant or climbing a moss pole/trellis. How to care for Syngonium Pink Spot. Ready to welcome a Syngonium Pink Spot into your life? Here's what you need to know to keep it thriving. Light. The pink spot prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. East or north-facing windows are ideal. Water. This plant enjoys evenly moist soil but dislikes soggy conditions. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Allow excess water to drain freely from the pot. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. Opt for a mixture formulated for aroids or African violets. Humidity. While the pink spot tolerates average household humidity, it thrives with a little extra moisture in the air. Grouping it with other plants or using a humidifier can help. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Temperature. The pink spot prefers warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or cold drafts. Propagation. Sharing the pink love. The Syngonium Pink Spot is relatively easy to propagate, allowing you to share the love with friends or create a fuller pot for yourself. Here's a popular method. Stem cuttings. Take a stem cutting with at least 2 nodes, leaf junctions. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone optional. Plant the cutting in a pot with moist, well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil evenly moist and provide bright, indirect light. New growth should appear within a few weeks. Common Syngonium Pink Spot issues. While a generally easygoing plant, the Syngonium Pink Spot can encounter a few issues. Yellowing leaves. This can be caused by overwatering, underwatering, or lack of light. Adjust your watering routine and ensure the plant receives enough indirect light. Brown spots on leaves. This could be due to sunburn from direct sunlight or excessive moisture on the leaves. Provide proper light and avoid misting the leaves directly. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move the plant to a brighter location. Conclusion. The allure of the Syngonium Pink Spot. The Syngonium Pink Spot is a captivating houseplant that combines stunning visuals with easy care. Its vibrant foliage adds a pop of color and a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant collector or just starting your indoor jungle, the pink spot is a rewarding companion. With its forgiving nature and manageable needs, it's a great choice for busy individuals or those new to the world of houseplants. So, if you're looking for a plant that brings both beauty and ease to your life, look no further than the Syngonium pink spot. With a little TLC, this charming vine will reward you with years of lush, pink-kissed growth, adding a touch of elegance and vibrancy to your home.